We've all been there, staring at our closets, overwhelmed with options, eyes blank, brain smooth. But never fear, today we're cooking with gas and talking outfit recipes. You heard of them? Hi, I'm Kathleen and my face is very pale. There are some outfit combinations that just feel right. Add a dash of maxi skirt there, and a pinch of graphic tee for flavor. Now that's a spicy outfit recipe. Rinse, repeat, remix, they'll always be there for you. So today, allow me to share 5 of my favorite outfit recipes of the moment that save me on days where I'm feeling hangry and uninspired. Number 1, little top, big pants. The outfit recipe that started it all. You should all know of my admiration of this specific outfit recipe. In my own words, yeah! I love it so much it makes me sick! And you may have even seen this combination memed on social media recently, but it's for a good reason. It's comfortable, it's cute, and somehow it feels more put together and intentional than just using non-big pants and non-little shirt. But why? Is that the case? I'm gonna let you in on the secret behind a lot of successful outfit recipes, and it's kind of the through line for this entire video. Bad cooking puns? It seems like there's a lot of those in this video. No, I'm talking about silhouette, and that's not a type of cheese.
Oh, brother, this guy
Silhouette is the overall shape that a garment makes on your body. The outline, if you will. So when we have a little top, big bottoms, we have a silhouette like this. We've got a little tiny shape on the top and then a big voluminous shape on the bottom. One thing you might notice about this combination is that it provides a lot of visual contrast. And ooh boy, does the human brain like contrast. It likes it so much that contrast is one of the principles of design, which is a fundamental framework that artists and designers use when composing their work. Oh no, is Kathleen making this video about art again? Yes, as is my right as a proud owner of a BFA, which stands for Be Freaking Annoying About Art all the time. Let me have this, please. So back to little top, big bottom, let's talk specifics. You can go classic with a tank top and wide-legged pants. This outfit is extremely thriftable as well, which is a big reason why I like it, but you don't have to adhere to these items strictly. I asked y'all on Instagram what some of your favorite outfit recipes are, more on this later, and one of the most popular responses was a little t-shirt and a big flowy maxi skirt. Same basic idea. And as always, we can dress it up, or we can dress it down, or we can do a little bit of both. We could use a crisp pleated trouser versus a worn-in denim, or some satin or shine to keep it elevated, or mix it all up. You know I love styling formal items in a more casual way. Enough to have a whole video all about it. Throw on a breezy top layer and you have a slightly different flavor of the same recipe. The options, they're endless. On to our next outfit recipe. This outfit recipe is not everyone's cup of tea initially, but hopefully I can convince you to come to the dark side by the end of this segment. We've got long layer plus long layer. Now some folks aren't into this because maybe they feel kind of frumpy or not defined in this type of look, and that may be because this type of combination lacks contrast in the silhouette. But do you know what this combination does have? An abundance of rhythm and movement. Ooh, more principles of design? Are we seeing a theme? So rhythm provides a visual tempo and provides a path for the viewer's eye to follow, and movement creates interest and dynamism that keeps the viewer engaged. So when we pair long layers together, the eye can travel across these planes of fabric and notice how they move and play together. Since this combo is all about movement, I think it works really well with fluttery or whimsical layers. For example, my all cream look from my Style Rut video, it was the perfect opportunity to play with transparency and textured fabrics. This also brings us to the contentious idea of dress over pants or dress over other dress. For all the reasons I already listed, I love this type of combination. It feels fun and fluttery and also a little bit subversive, like, hey, you're not supposed to wear clothes that way. And much like the previous outfit recipe, we can dress it up or dress it down. Throw on a baggy tee and cargo pants and you've got a little bit of a punk moment, or throw a couple of gauzy layers together and you've got an A+ event look. This can also lean androgynous, which I think is really cool. The options are, you guessed it, endless. On to outfit recipe number 3. We've got big boxy top, little or no pants. This outfit recipe is a contrasty one, but for different reasons than before. If we're thinking about the silhouette, we've got this big bold shape on top and then a long vertical. Your legs, bozo. I don't know why I said that. It can be as simple as a big t-shirt over bike shorts. Or we can go a little wild. We can do a super micro mini length of a skirt or a dress. I think this outfit recipe is made complete by using a statement shoe, because since we have so much action on top and then a lot of leg, it's fun to end it with a bang with a chunky boot or a fun sneaker. Also, one way I've seen this styled recently is the super short length on bottom, whether it's shorts or a skirt, and then a big boxy blazer moment on top. Talk about contrast. This also feels like a way that you could make a super casual look a little more, I don't know, interesting or designed. Wow, the options are, what's the word? Oh yeah, endless. Our fourth outfit recipe is also tried and true for warm weather. The components, a monofit and a diagonal. Okay, what does that mean? By monofit, I mean a one-item outfit, like a dress or a romper. This is quite possibly the simplest outfit you could make. And on its own, a good dress is a great outfit. But to add some interest or emphasis, another principle of design, we're gonna add a diagonal to draw the eye across a central angle. This also creates kind of two triangle shapes, and the eyeball loves a good triangle, let me tell you what. So by diagonal, I mean like a crossbody bum bag or a cardigan or button up tied diagonally across your chest. I love using this diagonal technique to cinch in an item if it doesn't have a very structured silhouette. It just adds some more angles, some more interest. I also feel like doing the diagonal accessory as opposed to just over the shoulder or around the waist adds this like cool casual energy. Like, I'm on the go, I'm living my life. I don't know if that's real or not, but that's how it feels to me. So many options. You could plausibly say that the options are endless. All right, for my fifth outfit recipe, we're gonna talk about my personal current favorite. And I can only describe it as princess in a silly goofy mood, or potentially default female character in a period drama. Let me just show you. Here are the two main components. Some sort of cinched or lace-up top, whether it's a vest or a corset. Corset, and then some sort of A-line skirt or bottom. And then to finish it off, the cherry on top you could say, or beneath, we add some sort of button-up bottom layer. It's giving pirate, it's giving Gibson girl. The options do be endless. I really do love this more costumey / historical look. It feels like it fits my vibe, and I find myself gravitating towards it multiple times a week. And it's a crowd pleaser, and by crowd, I mean me. It pleases me. So as I mentioned at the beginning, I also asked y'all on Instagram what your favorite outfit recipes are. And first of all, can y'all relax, please? That's too many. Oh, Tay. There were so many iterations of tiny top, big pants. It makes sense that we're friends. A lot of people said tiny top, long skirt. Long skirt, small top, open vest, long dress, vest. Also, a lot of the opposite. So little shorts, big baggy top, oversized t-shirt, shorts, and cowboy boots. A honeybee for your thoughts offers turtleneck under sundress. Ooh, I like that. Katie Comics just says egg. We got big shorts plus big top, a long layer plus a long layer. You know I'm on board with that. Also a lot of love for matching set. I didn't talk about matching sets so much, but we all know two-piece set is another good option for a mono fit, and you can break it apart into multiple fits, so it might take the cake for best outfit recipe. Sorry, dress, you're out. Brown Chalk says dresses and jeans, long layer plus long layer. So does Homemade Halbert. Ooh, from Contagious Pixie, another vote for turtleneck under summery dress. This is one that I haven't really considered, and it seems like quite a few of you like it, so maybe I should add it to my rotation. The turtleneck hype is real in this chat. I had no idea. Meejin Walden says swooshy skirt and shoulders, like shoulder pads or puff sleeves, and I love the bravery. I'm such a puff sleeve girly myself, and the people who don't like them or don't like shoulder pads are just scared of their own power. There, I said it. Also, Prickly Alpaca, aka Kira, here on YouTube, says bustier or corset over any shirt and a skirt, which reminds me of my Princess in a Silly Goofy Mood favorite outfit recipe of the moment. Great minds. And many, 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 many more. Y'all are geniuses. Evil, evil geniuses. Have you tried outfit recipes, or do you have any tried and true recipes that you rock on the day-to-day? I must know, so let me know down in the comments, and if you don't, you're stinky, but maybe not in a bad way. If you like this video, then please feel free to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And if you like this type of styling video, then you might want to check out some of my other ones. Or if you need a change of pace, check out my copious Thrift With Me playlist. You can also hang out with me over on Instagram if you want to keep up with me during the week at kathleenillustrated. And with that, I'm gonna get out of here. This is the part where I usually say I love you, but you know what? I'm not gonna say it first this time. You don't have to, but... Okay, bye.